candidate is allowed only with 2 more people, and we have issued to the ROs to keep an 100-meter clearances in their offices while the nomination process is on. Similarly, in the election booths also, we have ensured that COVID protocols are followed and necessary arrangements of sanitizers are made available in the polling booths. And the COVID patients will be coming in a PPE kit to cast their votes. That's all. If any questions are there, I will.
Sir, what
happened?
144. Section 144.
No, it is for
144 is related to the COVID matters. It is up to the district magistrate.
So the campaigning there will be no section 144.
District magistrate will be taking the call regarding the.
But if there are more than 5, 6.
The model code of conduct will come into effect from this moment only in the areas under the jurisdiction of respective municipal councils. Commission has issued SOP guidelines for COVID-19 precautions in order to conduct the said elections, the above elections. Now I will announce the by-election to the Ward number 2, Village Panchayat Tarapur, Saban, and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Veli. In this regard, Director Panchayat has issued election notification dated 28/3/21 in Form 1, notifying the date of by-election to Ward number 2 of Village Panchayat Tarapur, Saban, and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Velim on 23rd April. The by-election to the Ward number 2 Village Panchayat Savan and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Velim will be held along with the general election of municipal councils. For this, Commission adopted electoral rolls of Goa Legislative Assembly prepared under the provisions of Representative Act 1950 for the time being in force on 1st January 2021 for preparing ward-wise voter list, and same were displayed in the office of respective returning officers. The voter lists are displayed in the designated places from 25/3 onwards. 2020. Now I will announce the schedule of election program for this by-election. As I said, except 2nd April and 4th April being holidays, the dates the receipt of nomination commences from 31st March 2021 to 8th April 2021. The timing is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Scrutiny of nomination will be 9th April 2021, 10 a.m. onwards. Withdrawal of candidature is 10th April, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The list of candidates will be 10th April after 3 p.m. The date of poll for these two Panchayat wards by election is 23rd April 2021 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Date of counting of votes for these elections are 26th April 8 a.m. onwards. I once again mention you that the polling timings are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. For the COVID patients will be entitled to cast their vote in the last hour of the poll, that is 4 to 5 p.m. The model code of conduct shall come into effect from this moment only in the areas under the jurisdiction of respective village panchayat wards. Commission has issued SOP guidelines for COVID-19 precautions in order to conduct the said elections. So I expect the elections to be conducted in a very smooth fashion, and COVID protocols have to be strictly followed. We have issued all relevant orders to the polling officials. We have appointed general observers and expenditure observers to oversee the election arrangements as well as the code of conduct procedures.
So, any issues are there?
The Commission adopted electoral rules of Goa Legislative Assembly prepared under the provisions of Representatives of People's Act 1950 for the time being in force as on 1st January 2021, published on 15 January 2021. For preparing ward-wise voter list of these municipal councils have been already displayed at the office of the respective ROs on 18 to 2021 onwards. These electoral rolls are displayed in the office of returning officers. District collectors are appointed as the municipal council election officers. One returning officer, one assistant returning officer is appointed by SCS, State Election Commission, for each of these municipal council. General observer, expenditure observers are also appointed by SCC, one for each for municipal council. The commission has recently reviewed with district magistrates and the superintendent of police and other officials regarding the preparedness of district collectors and SPs. Commission is satisfied with the preparation done by these authorities. All polling booths have been adequate minimum facility Adequate police force will be deployed at government printing press during the printing of ballot papers, at polling booths during receiving and distribution of poll material for guarding the strong room, and also during counting of votes. There are total 18 sensitive booths in Marmugava Municipal Council. For other municipal councils, there are no sensitive polling booths. Now we will announce the schedule of these 5 municipal councils. The election program for 5 municipal councils is as under. Receipt of nomination. Except on 2nd April 2021 being public holiday and 4th April being Sunday, the date is 31st March 2021, that is Wednesday, to 8th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. The scrutiny of nomination will be 9th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. onwards. Withdrawal of candidates is on 10th April 2021. The timing is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. List of candidates 10th April after 3 p.m. The date of poll for 5 municipal council is 23rd April 2021, which is Friday. Timings are 8 to 5 p.m. Date of counting of votes is 26th April 2021, it is Monday, 8 a.m. onwards. I once again mentioned that poll timings are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and for COVID positive patients, it will be entitled to cast their vote in the last hour of the poll, that is from
Good morning. On behalf of the Directorate of Archives and Archaeology, it is my great honor and privilege to welcome the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Chandrakant Kaunekar, also Minister for Archives and Archaeology. Guests, my colleagues, staff, members of the media, for the inauguration of the Advanced Antiquity Management System which has been installed in our department. It is an automated management system for antiquities which will not only ensure the preservation of our antiquities, but it also gives you access information regarding the antiquities, that is the date on which it was acquired, information about the antiquities, that is the material, whether stone or metal, the approximate age of the antiquity, the place where the antiquity was salvaged from, which will be of great importance for research scholars. Now, at present, this is an automated storage system which also ensures the security of the antiquities. It allows us to know the user trail. We can access the information from anywhere. It is a software-driven system. I now request Sir Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to inaugurate the Advanced Antiquity Management System. Deepika, I request you to
This side. 또 왔어요. 또 왔어. 옆구리에 도. Yes. Ne dia mah tadi. Masa saya bagus tu pasal engkau so. Ini ya biasa dia. Itu ada. Ya baik. त्याच्यामध्ये सगळे आतमध्ये ठेवले नाही
रिंग आहे हां हे सगळं त्याचं मग त्याचे फोटोज असतील ते फोटोज पण सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये अपलोड करता येतात सो ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट अँटिक्विटीज इन वन सिस्टीम आणि त्याचं फिजिकल स्टोरेज ठीक आहे
प्रेसला ॲड्रेस करा थोडं सविस्तर माहिती द्या.
बरं चालेल
तो आता ट्रे
हा वेगळा ट्रे आला याच्यामध्ये
अशा पद्धतीने ते रोटेट होतं.
हां सो आतलं मेकॅनिझम दाखवायला म्हणलं असं ते मूव्ह होतं
हे कळायला सांगेल.
मग याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही बिन्स पण ठेवू शकता डायरेक्ट ठेवू शकता
असं आम्ही क्लीन करून घेऊ काय झालं क्लीन करून घेऊ. तुम्ही गाव
तसं पण
भारतामध्ये अँटिक्विटीज आणि आर्किओलॉजीसाठी अशी सिस्टीम डिझाईन झालेली आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये कम्प्लीट सॉफ्टवेअर ड्रिव्हन कंट्रोल आहे. सो याच्यामध्ये दोन आस्पेक्ट आहेत. एक सॉफ्टवेअरमधनं कंट्रोल. सो अँटिक्विटीज आर प्रेशियस, त्याचा लॉस होऊ नये, त्याला डॅमेज होऊ नये ह्याच्यासाठी त्याच्यामध्ये पूर्ण कंट्रोल्स आहेत. एन्व्हायरमेंटल कंट्रोल्सही आहेत आणि सॉफ्टवेअरचे ॲक्सेस कंट्रोल्स पण आहेत. सेकंडली टू मेंटेन डिटेल्स ऑफ द अँटिक्विटी इन द सिस्टीम. सो त्याच्यामध्ये अँटिक्विटीचे फोटो असेल, त्याची डेट जे कधी मिळालं, साईट कुठे मिळाली, या सगळ्याचे डिटेल्स हे याच्यामध्ये आहेत. सो भारतामध्ये नाही ॲक्च्युली सर वर्ल्डमध्ये फॉर द फर्स्ट टाईम अशी सिस्टीम फॉर अँटिक्विटीज इन्स्टॉल होते. सो वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी की गोव्यामध्ये फॉर द फर्स्ट टाईम, कारण गोवा इज नोन फॉर बिंग प्राऊड अबाउट इट्स कल्चर, हेरिटेज अँड आर्किओलॉजिकल जे काय हिस्ट्री आहे त्याच्या बाबतीत. सो वी आर हॅपी दॅट वी आर इन्स्टॉलिंग सच अ सिस्टम हिअर अँड वी थँक द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा, डायरेक्टर मॅडम सर फॉर गिविंग अस द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. इट्स अ व्हेरी इनोव्हेटिव्ह कॉन्सेप्ट इन्स्टॉल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाईम.
थँक्यू. तुमची ओळख जरा सांगा.
अच्छा
तुमची ओळख सांगा.
मी शैलेंद्र फाटक आणि आरती फाटक, आम्ही आयटेक बिझनेस सोल्युशन्स म्हणून सॉफ्टवेअर आणि ऑटोमेशन्स कंपनी चालवतो पुण्यामध्ये आणि देशभरामध्ये आम्ही सॉफ्टवेअर आणि अशी इन्स्टॉलेशन्स करत असतो.
Sir, what happens? This gives accurate descriptions of when you put inside, or it has to be filled before.
Sorry?
How you get accurate this information?
Information?
If suppose I put something inside.
Yes. So first you have to feed it in the software, then it will capture. सो याच्यामध्ये फोटो अपलोड करायची पण फॅसिलिटी आहे. सो समजा साईटवरती अँटिक्विटीचा फोटो असेल तर तुम्ही ते सॉफ्टवेअरमध्येच अपलोड करू शकता. तुम्हाला जे काही इन्फॉर्मेशन सर्च, सो समजा मला आता शिवलिंग सर्च करायचं असेल तर आय कॅन जस्ट टाईप ओव्हर देअर SHIV आणि समजा 4 ठिकाणी असेल तर इट विल टेल मी कुठे कुठे आहे. ते मी सर्च केलं की बरोबर ते खाली येतं आणि ऑटोमॅटिकली दार उघडतं. याच्यामध्ये दार ऑटोमॅटिक उघडण्याच्या मागचं लॉजिकही असं आहे की त्याला लॉकिंग मेकॅनिझम आहे. सो कोणीही जाऊन अँटिक्विटी काढली असं करता येत नाही. त्याला ॲक्सेस कंट्रोल्स आहेत, डिफाईन्ड युजर्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये सॉफ्टवेअर.
So basically it will be have to feed it. So
Yes.
What happens if you get a new thing which we don't know what is when it was found and what. So we can use this machine for.
Yes. So when they go to the archaeology site and they get something new, that is when they know की ही साईट कुठली आहे, what is the object, whether it's a metal, whether it's stone. हे सगळं इन्फॉर्मेशन फीड करायची फॅसिलिटी त्याच्यामध्ये दिलेली आहे. आधी काय होतं तर मॅन्युअली सगळं रेकॉर्ड ठेवला जात होतं. असं नाही की रेकॉर्ड ठेवत नाही, रेकॉर्ड ठेवलाच जातो. इट वॉज केप्ट मॅन्युअली. नाव इट विल बी मेंटेन्ड इन द सॉफ्टवेअर. सो इट्स व्हेरी इझी टू सर्च. सेकंडली त्याच्यामध्ये रेकॉर्ड राहतो. सो पुढे मिसप्लेस होण्याचे चान्सेस काही नाहीत त्याच्यामध्ये.
So what is the cost of this project?
Yeah, around it's at 27, including the software and everything. 27 lakhs.
Sir, how many such antique items are identified so that can be placed in this?
How many? Deepika,
83 are stored inside.
83 items are stored inside right now.
And what is the capacity?
So the per tray capacity is 350 kilos, and there are 8 trays in the entire system. 8, right? We have 8 trays in that. So that is the capacity. So 350 into 8 is the capacity.
Do a demo system. Do a demo system.
Yeah, this is like the first one. There are variations in that according to availability of space. काय ठेवायचं आहे त्याच्याप्रमाणे ते कस्टमाइज केलं जातं.
Sir, out of this 83 items,
Triggers for using such systems. The second is firstly keeping them correctly. So आज कुठेतरी स्टोर रूम मध्ये ठेवलेले असतात. They are likely to get damaged also. So unfortunately इंडियामध्ये इतके दिवस एवढा अवेअरनेस नव्हता अबाउट प्रिझर्वेशन. नाव इन द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स विथ द न्यू जनरेशन ऑफ आर्किओलॉजिस्ट कमिंग इन देर इज मच मोर अवेअरनेस अबाउट प्रिझर्विंग दोज इन अ करेक्ट मॅनर. परदेशामध्ये तुम्ही गेलात तर देर आर व्हेरियस सच सिस्टम्स दॅट आर युज्ड इन सम प्लेसेस की जिथे ते ठेवतात नीट. आपल्याकडे एन्व्हायरमेंटल कंडिशन्स असतील किंवा ॲक्सेस टू देम हे सगळे अवेअरनेस आता यायला लागले. सो आय एम अबाउट द प्रेशियसनेस ऑफ दिस आर्काइव्स मे बी द आर्किओलॉजिस्ट कॅन टेल. आय एम नॉट एक्सपर्ट इन दॅट बट इट कॅन बी यूज्ड इन व्हेरियस अदर सिनारियोज एज वेल. सो द सिस्टमचं लॉजिक असं आहे की ॲक्सेस कंट्रोल, सिक्युअर एन्व्हायरमेंट कंट्रोल अँड सॉफ्टवेअर अप्रोच.
एक बरी सुरवात आर्कायज आनी आर्कोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटाची एक सुरवात बरी जाता कित्याक आयज आमची स्टोरेज जाता ऑटोमेटेड स्टोरेज आमी आयज सुरवात केल्ली आसा. जे आर्कायजचे जे आमचे एंटिक्विटी जे आमचे मदीं आसात ते सगळ्याक बरी करून सांबाळपा खातीर ही आयज सुरवात केल्ली आसा. आमचे मदीं आमचे डायरेक्टर आसा ब्लॉसम मदेरा आसात. त्याच प्रमाणे हे सगळें करपा खातीर मिस्टर शैलेंद्र पाठक आसात आमचो वरद सबनीस आनी हांगा जमिल्ले तूं सगळे प्रिंट मिडिया इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मिडिया खऱ्या अर्थांनी हेची गरज आशिल्ली. जेन्ना आर्कायज आनी आर्कोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट म्हजे कडेन येयले म्हाका पयलीं पासूनच एक दिसा की कितें तरी जावपा जाय हांगा जेणे करून आमचें जें साहित्य आहा जितली आमची जी इतिहास आसा जेन्ना आर्कोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटाक आर्कायज आर्कोलॉजी तेजे कडेन आतां आमचे कडेन इतले मॉन्युमेंट्स आसात किंवा ताचे भितर असल्यो वस्तू आसात ज्यो कितले वर्साच्यो म्हणटाच्यो वस्तू आसात त्यो वस्तू खंय तरी व्यवस्थीत उरपा जाय जेणे करून आयज जे भुरगे शिकपाक येतात तांकां त्यो वस्तू तेजेर रिसर्च करतात हे कितले वर्साची ही वस्तू मेळ्ळी आसा कशी मेळ्ळी आसा ही कितली केन्नाची हें करता आसतना जेंका जेन्ना आतां ऑटोमॅटीक हें केल्ली कारणांनी तांकां व्यवस्थीत ती मेळपाक शकता आनी तेजी एक देखरेख म्हणल्यार हांगा खंय योग्य पद्दतीन ती उरता ती बरी तेजी बऱ्यापैकी राखण जाता. दुसरें आमी हाजे बरोबरच आयज आर्कायज भितर आमचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंट्स आसात जे डॉक्युमेंट्सांनी एक आनी दोन न्ही आमचे 1418 म्हळ्यार कमीत कमी 500-600 वर्सांचे आमचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंट्स आसात जे वेगवेगळे पद्दतीचे डॉक्युमेंट आसात आनी त्या डॉक्युमेंट सुद्दां आमचे अशेंच आमकां डिजिटायजेशन आनी ऑटोमेटेड स्टोरेज आमी करपाचें केल्लें आसा. तेजे खातीर सुद्दां ह्या बजेटाक 50 कोटीचें प्रोविजन आमी केल्लें आसा. 50 कोटीचे जेणे करून जे आमचे डॉक्युमेंट्स आसात जे पोर्चुगीज लँग्वेजीन जे आसात ते आयज आमकां लोक व्हरपा खातीर आख्खी गोंयचे लोक येतात कित्याक पयलीं 500-600 वर्सांचे डॉक्युमेंट आमचे कडेन आसात 6 कोटी म्हणटा अशें आनी ते बी अशेंच बऱ्यापैकी उरचे हो प्रयत्न आसा जेणे करून लोकांक त्या ताबडतोब अवेलेबल जावचे आनी तेजी बऱ्यापैकी हें घेवची कित्याक ते पेड जावपा जायना. आयज जे डॉक्युमेंट आमचे आसात आमी काही प्रमाणात ते सांबाळून दवरले आसात तेच आमी जर फाल्यां आमी जेन्ना अशे पद्दतीन ऑटोमॅटीक जेन्ना स्टोरेज करून दवरतले तेंचे आनीकय बरें उरतले हो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. म्हणजे आमचे इतली वर्सांचे जे आमचे साहित्य आसा इतली वर्सांचो एसेट जे आसा जे आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन तेजी खऱ्या अर्थान देखरेख जावची तेजो उपयोग लोकांक जावचो लोकांक तेजो पुरेपूर उपयोग जावता आसतना सादी पद्दतीन सोंपी पद्दतीन तांकां अवेलेबल जावचें हो हेजो फाटल्यान हें आसा. आनी हाजे खातीर आमची डायरेक्टर जे आसात ती ब्लॉसम मदेरा भरपूर आमचें काम करतात तिणी तशेंच आमचे बरोबर आनी हें केल्लें आसा की आमचे जे साहित्य इतले डॉक्युमेंट्स आसात ते आमचे बऱ्यापैकी उरचे जशें आर्कोलॉजीची हे सगळें जावं ताच्या भायर आमचे जेन्ना आर्कायजचे बाकीचे डॉक्युमेंट हे सगळें करता आसतना आमकां शैलेंद्र पाठका सारकी मनीस मेळ्ळे एजन्सी मेळ्ळी आसा जांकां ह्या कामा भितर बरी नॉलेज आसा बरें एक्सपिरियन्स आसा आनी ताका लागून तेणीच हें काम केल्लें आसा. फुडाराक सुद्दां काम अशें जें आसा ते तेंचे आदारानूय आमी करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो कित्याक जेन्ना असले एक्सपर्ट लोक जेन्ना आसतले आनी एक्सपर्ट लोकांतल्यान जे आमी करून घेतले तेन्ना आमी आमची आनीकय बऱ्यापैकी ती वस्तू जावंक शकता. जेन्ना हो प्रपोजल आमी जेन्ना तुमकां म्हणला की आर्कायवचे डॉक्युमेंट्स कोटी आमचे आसात ते सुद्दां अशेंच आमचें डिजिटायजेशन करून ऑटोमॅटीक स्टोरेज करपाची जेन्ना कल्पना जे आमचे जे आमी CMA फुड्यान दवरली तेन्ना CMAन ते ताबडतोब ते हातोहात हें केले आनी ह्याच बजेटाक 50 कोटीचें आमी प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा जेणे करून हे सगळें आमचें जें आसा सांबाळपा खातीर. पूण अशे पद्दतीन आयज आर्कायवॉलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट काम करता जेणे करून आख्ख्या गोंयची जे लोकांक जे आमचे एसेट आसा म्हणटाचे हे बाकीच्या राज्यांत तशें मेळोंक शकना. आमी जेन्ना पुर्तुगेज म्हणजे वतल्यान असले काळांनी तेन्ना त्या टायमाच्या 500-600 वर्साच्यो वस्तू आमचे कडेन आसा त्यो वस्तू खंय तरी आयज आमकां आमच्या आयज पिढीक मेळपा जाय. फुडली भावी पिढी आसा हेंकां आयज सांबाळून दवरपाची गरज आसा आनी तेजे खातीर हें सगळें केल्लें आसा. म्हणजे हें करता आसतना आनीक कोणी हांव करूं इतलो आमचे डायरेक्टर बाकी सगळ्यांक जेणे करून हें काम करता आसतना कार्य करता आसतना तेणी बऱ्यापैकी एफर्ट घेतले आसा आनी केल्ले आसा.
सर फाटीं तुमी सगळे डिजिटलायज करपाचें आसलें तेंचें कितें जालें अजून जावंक ना डिजिटलायज करपाचें आसलें.
ना हे आमी आतां उदय उल्लेख केला पळय तो आतां आमी डिजिटायजेशन आमी आमचे डॉक्युमेंट्स आसात ते सगळे स्कॅन करून थोडें थोडें आमचें काम चालू आसता जे थोडें थोडें आमी काम स्कॅन करप हें करप आमचें चालू आसता. पूण मोठ्या प्रमाणात आयज ऑटोमॅटीक स्टोरेज करपाचें आमी कामाक सुरवात केल्ली आसा जेणे करून हें सगळें वेवस्थीत फुडाराक उरचें आनी ताचो भाग म्हणून हो आयज ल्हानच्या प्रमाणात जे आमचे कडेन एंटिक्विटी जे आसात त्यो सुद्दां आमी सांबाळून दवरपा खातीर हें केल्लें आसा. थँक्यू. तूं ऑर्डर थँक्यू.
Okay, it has been a great privilege that we have already inaugurated the automated storage as named as Advanced Antiquity Management System in Directorate of Archives and Archaeology at the hands of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, who is also Minister for Archives and Archaeology. So at the outset, I thank Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for inaugurating this significant system which will securely store all the important antiquities that are deposited or that are acquired by Directorate of Archives and Archaeology. So I thank you, sir. Sir has been a great guiding force, leading various portfolios for Government of Goa, and he has been handling departments like Town and Country Planning, by which he is securing the future of Goa. He is also leading departments like Agriculture and Factories and Boilers, by which he is ensuring the present time of Goa. And he is also leading the department like Archives and Archaeology, by which he is also looking at securing and safeguarding the history and heritage of Goa. So for his guiding force as well as support, motivation, and for inaugurating this system, I, on behalf of Archives and Archaeology, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
IBS from Pune, who have successfully implemented or installed this system as per the customized requirements of Archives and Archaeology. As we have already discussed that this system is installed for the first time in India, and that's how there were quite a few challenges to customize the requirements. So the agency has been successful in fulfilling all our requirements so far. So thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
And very importantly, all of you media